Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through the 2024 Aquila 42 catamaran. Let's step aboard. So now in the cockpit, first thing you're going to notice on the back of the boat is we have a massive platform all the way across the back for your tender to go on board. Obviously we have a winch to be able to pick it up. Very large seating across the whole aft of the boat. Large table here. We can add some additional chairs over here. We do have the Aquila signature bar, 2 stools sitting here, which open up to the entire salon. You're going to notice we have a great size fridge and freezer on board, as well as starboard U-shaped seating, a little bit of a seating nook over here, and a very large galley to be able to prep everything for everybody on board. Let's take a look at the cabins. Now we're in the port side cabin, and we're going to identify this as the master stateroom on board. Very large berth on board with a great amount of natural windows, natural light that runs in all the way across the entire port side of the boat. You have a nice little vanity area as well as a ton of storage and cabin space there. And then forward, we're going to have the master head on board with a walk-in shower. So in the bow stateroom, we optioned this specific vessel with the storage, but also the crew quarter accommodations. It does have an onboard washer dryer, some additional storage. We do also have the wine cooler option, and then we have a twin bunk with the sun pad cushion sitting right on top. So now we're in the starboard side stateroom, so it is a true 2 stateroom with the additional bunk storage and 2 head layout. So you have a great V berth, a lot of space to be able to get ready and do everything you need, as well as a very nice head on board, which is aft with a walk-in shower. So now we're on the bridge of the 42 Aquila, and the first thing you're going to notice when you come up here is the seating rivals the 44. There is a ton of seating which wraps all the way around the port side, one solid cushion wrapping all the way around with a nice little, you have a grill, a sink, a refrigerator dead center here on the island, which is just the back side of a double wide helm chair for the captain. Marine electronics, Volvo Penta viewing for all of your motors, your throttles. We do have a bow thruster on this boat as well. And of course the bow access, which is really nice to be able to run up and grab your lines. So come on down, MarineMax Clearwater. My name is Patrick Rourke, 813-909-5064. I'll take you on board an available 42 Aquila. Let's get you outboarding this summer.